Hi everyone, and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets for Thursday, the 3rd of July. Going to look at dollar yen now, and what a recovery we're seeing in the dollar here. There's a big turnaround that's is really been driven over really in the past 24 hours, and that has now broken this downtrend that we've been in for a month. This 4-week downtrend that's now been broken as the dollar recovery has travelled further in the last few hours, and that, as I focused on yesterday, has been driven by certainly this ADP report that came out and was so strong for the US yesterday, and that just saw a burst through that 101.60 resistance that had earlier in the session provided the ceiling on a couple of occasions. Well, in the last couple of days, in fact, but then you had that burst through the resistance, and it's now pushed higher, even through this downtrend that is a 4-week downtrend. The bulls do still have a lot to do to suggest that there's any real strength and maintenance of this dollar rally, but you do have momentum on the side of the bulls at the moment. But you have to bear in mind you've got the barrier of all these moving averages that have that provided resistance throughout late June. And that comes in between here, about 101.90 up towards 101.20. Which is where the 89-day moving average comes in. But as I said, you've got momentum that's building now to the upside, which is dollar positive, stochastics certainly, and also the RSI. But the RSI needs to continue to push above 50 for that to really be confirmed. But as I said, we have got an improvement going on here in this chart. And for the moment, you're going to have to run with it, because even into the early European session, you're still finding more support for the dollar, and it is pushing higher. That 102 big figure level remains a pivot, and has been over the past few weeks. And you need to keep that in mind, that there does tend to be intraday stopping points around that 102 big figure level that we have in this chart. But once we're through that, if you can break through that 102, it becomes the support again, so that would again improve the outlook. So just keep that in mind. But up towards there, you've got the barrier at around about 102.20, which has been holding back the resistance and the rally recent in. Let's see, I'll zoom out slightly here. We can see that 102.20 has been old support around the early part of June became resistance. So 102.20 is a key resistance area as well that needs to be overcome. But certainly at the moment, the recovery is in full swing, and it's going well with momentum indicators improving. So we need to be looking to back this dollar rally at the moment. Anyway, I wish you good luck with your trading. Obviously, non-farm payrolls has a potentially for a big impact around this figure at 1:30, and could change this chart outlook quite quickly. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.